Hi, welcome to the Shed. In this episode, we're going to look at modes in comparison to the circle of fourths, and we're going to look at them parallel to a starting pitch. So here's our order of fourths, or our circle of fourths, and all of our modes are going to start on the pitch C. So let's look at C as a parent scale. What number is the pitch C in the key of C? It's the first note. So if we start the key of C starting on C, it's going to be mode 1. So here's mode 1. This is C Ionian. And if we compare it to C major, we'll notice that all the notes are the same. There's nothing that's different. No notes are raised, no notes are lowered. But let's look at it with a different parent scale. So now let's try the key of F. So what number is C in the key of F? We have F, G, A, B flat, C. C is the fifth note in the key of F. So if we start the key of F on C, we're actually writing out the fifth mode of F, which is C Mixolydian. So now let's compare C Mixolydian to the C major scale. And we'll notice one note is different. That 7 is lowered. So in any Mixolydian scale, you have a lowered seventh if you compare it parallel to the major scale. All right, let's look at a different parent scale. We have G major. Okay, what number is C in G major? We have G, A, B, C. C is the fourth note. So if we started the G major scale on C, we would be spelling the C Lydian scale. So here's C Lydian. And if we compare it to C major, we'll notice that there's one note that's different. We have our F sharp there. That means that in a Lydian scale, we have a raised fourth degree. Let's figure out a parent scale that's a little farther away. Let's pick A flat. So A flat it has 4 flats in it. It's farther away from C in the circle. What number is C in the key of A flat? We have A flat, B flat, C. C is the third note in the key of A flat. So if we spell A flat from C, it's the third mode of A flat, or it will be C Phrygian. So here's C Phrygian, or the third mode of A flat. And let's compare it to C major. So we have a bunch of notes that are different here. We notice that the second scale degree is lowered, the third's lowered, the sixth is lowered, and the seventh is lowered. So in a Phrygian scale, all those notes are lowered. Let's figure out what number C is in all these scales. And that's going to help us see a pattern. So C is 1 in the key of C. C is 4 in the key of G. C is 5 in the key of F, it's 2 in the key of B flat, it's 6 in the key of E flat, it's 3 in the key of A flat, and it's 7 in the key of D flat. So if you're looking at notes that change parallel to the major scale here, they get farther and farther away when you go through the order of fourths from the original parent scale. So D flat is going to sound very unfamiliar to C major. G is going to sound closer to C major because it's closer to the parent scale. So we have 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. This is a circle progression. If you're familiar with your diatonic chord progressions, that might help you. We have 7, 3, 6, 2, 5, 1, 4. All right, hope this helps. Practice up. We'll see you in the shed.